In today's competitive transportation and logistics environment, running an efficient yard is critical for business. If your yard supports a manufacturing facility, warehouse, or distribution center, and you're struggling to manage the movement of trucks, trailers, and inventory with a manual process, Zebra MotionWorks Yard can help. Our solution helps automate the management of resources, trucks, trailers, and switchers to decrease dock congestion and increase yard velocity, making your operation more efficient and productive. Sensors installed throughout the yard receive location beacon signals from tagged trailers and switcher trucks, then forward that data to the Savannah Location Engine, which runs on a local or cloud-based server. The Savannah Location Engine is an integrated software package that aggregates and analyzes the sensor data in your yard to determine asset location. This data allows the MotionWorks Yard application to monitor if things are where they should be when they're needed, understand how they got there, and determine where they should go next. Utilizing real-time and historical location data to automate manual processes can eliminate audits and errors. This solution will help you understand and manage your operation to make informed decisions, increase yard and resource efficiencies, and optimize your business. MotionWorks Yard, only from Zebra.